हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम हियर एट KTM कुकटपाली। आपको पीछे दिख रहा होगा, टाइटल आपने देख लिया होगा कि मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आया हूँ। यस, KTM की जो KTM ड्यूक 125 है न्यू शेप में, उसकी पहली डिलीवरी हम यहाँ से ले रहे हैं और जो बाइक ले रहे हैं उनसे भी आपको मैं ऊपर जाके मिलाऊंगा। सो KTM कुकटपाली पे बाइक अवेलेबल है। इफ़ यू वांट टू कम एंड चेक दी बाइक आउट, टेस्ट राइड वगैरह अवेलेबल है। जाके यहाँ पे मैनेजर साहब से बात करेंगे एंड नाउ आई विल टेक यू गाइज इनसाइड। सो यू हैव टू गो टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर। So all orange, KTM means orange, orange, orange. So I will put on my mask or neck band. So I already came to the showroom and just look at this. So we have Husqvarna here. The moment you come inside, आपको Husqvarna Smart Pillion and Wit Pillion दिखेगा। तो मैनेजर साहब इधर है and this is the bike KTM Duke 125. You see the bike in person, अगर आप आके यहाँ पे देखोगे ना, you will love it. This paint scheme reminds me of Duke 790. This looks very premium. So I have the honor जिन्होंने ये बाइक बुक किया है. His name is Sri Charan and he came with his father. So I have few questions. First of all, congratulations. Let's do this. And thank you sir, आपने बाइक दिलाया इनको. So I have few questions. Why you bought this one only? Because there are so many other KTM bikes ना, तो यही आपने क्यों लिया?
Like latest model of Duke, new 125. It got the structure like 200 and 250.
Exactly.
So I would prefer this instead of 200. So I would go with this choice. So this is better for like college students and everything. So
Right.
I prefer this model. So.
And you get good mileage also.
Yeah, of course. Like
And-
40, everything. Like
And sir, what was the reason that you know bought it for him? What you thought? Because there are so many other bikes, and you know what people say about KTM. They are very fast bikes.
Fast bikes, but this one is a 125cc, and out of all the KTM bikes, this is the best one which suits college students and youngsters. So
Exactly.
I feel this is more lighter and agile, so he can easily manage this vehicle. So that will be a good choice for him.
Right. And congrats once again. You need to ride safe. So I will just give you a walk around of the bike to you guys. Most probably tomorrow we are going to launch it because he is the one who got the first delivery in Hyderabad. So let's talk to the manager sab. Okay, I forgot to ask you one more question. When did you book the bike?
we booked actually like yesterday evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you got it today?
And
morning.
like I was forcing my father to buy it today morning. Like I wanted to be the first in Hyderabad to buy it. So
And he wanted to take the first vehicle in the city, and
Exactly.
really, I mean, the showroom was very fast and quick, and
Yeah. And
thanks
Lalit
to-
actually managed it within an hour.
come Lalit bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This man managed to deliver within an hour actually.
He is
in the night, and in the afternoon we told him we wanted to collect within 1 hour, so he arranged everything, and that was
it was
fantastic.
all because of Lalit bhai who helped us so much.
इसका responsible
Well,
for
just so much.
satisfied.
एक बार आप फेस दिखा देंगे आप, नहीं तो लोग आपको पहचानना है ना. सो गाइज आप पहन लीजिए आप. सो एनी टाइम यू कम हियर, ललित इज़ देयर. ही इज़ देयर टू रेस्पॉन्ड ऑल द क्वेरीज, बुकिंग का, टेस्ट राइड का, एवरीथिंग. यू कैन टॉक टू हिम. एंड आई हैव फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू ललित भाई. तो ये अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल इनको तो आज मिल गया बाइक, कल इन्होंने बुक किया, ही इज़ वेरी लकी. सो आप अगर किसी को बुक करना है बाइक, सो कितना टाइम लगेगा?
नहीं, फिलहाल तो अपने पास क्या है, ऑलरेडी अपने पास स्टॉक अवेलेबल है.
Stock
कल नाइट भी अपने पास ट्रांजिट आ चुका है.
ओके.
तो अपने पास और जो भी कस्टमर आए तो उनको कलर रेस के हिसाब से अपना गाड़ी डिलीवरी करने के लिए रेडी है.
हाँ, सो वट एवर द कलर अवेलेबल हियर, वो अगर आपका चॉइस है तो यू कैन गेट द बाइक ऑन स्पॉट. बट दिस इज़ ओनली टिल स्टॉक लास्ट, बिकॉज थोड़ा बहुत आपको टाइम लगेगा जब आप बुक करते हो. प्लीज़ शेयर द ऑन रोड प्राइस इन हैदराबाद. 1,72,000. So I think around 6,000 to 8,000 rupees when you compare with the old one, right? But this is again worth. So इसका जो पूरा walk around video है I will give you tomorrow, because tomorrow we have the launch of this. So I will give you test ride and the walk around. So congratulations to him, and आप comment box में mention करके बताओ, इनको congratulate करो.
Thank you so much.
So now he is taking the bike out. You wanna say anything else? कुछ बोलना
And
है?
as you all know, safety is first. Everybody wear your helmets and travel wherever you want. And yeah, thank you, Prakash bhai.